Easter is right around the corner, and today I want to share with you guys some really neat Christian Easter books. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool, and welcome to my channel. Today I just want to share with you guys a couple of my favorite Easter books for kids that are Christ-centered for your library or your morning basket this morning. So we're just going to get right into it. The first book we have here is called Easter Love Letters from God, and it's a way to teach your child about Holy Week and Easter. It's like they're receiving and opening and reading their own personal mail from God, which makes the lessons come alive. Easter Love Letters from God contains 7 beautifully illustrated Bible stories, each accompanied by a special Bible verse and an encouraging letter tucked away in its own little lift the flap envelope that can be personalized to your child. You have 7 letters, and you can pull them out of the page and you can write your child's name on each letter. Endearing text that applies each Easter story directly to your child's life and helps grow their faith. This book reveals the joy and beauty of the resurrection of Jesus in a fresh and inspiring way. It uses the classic cadence of Clement Moore's iconic poem, "'Twas the Night Before Christmas." This gorgeous picture book shares the true story of Easter with little ones, with read-out-loud rhymes and engaging illustrations. With an eye-catching cover decorated in shining foil and embossing, this book is perfect for any Easter basket and sure to be a treasured Easter tradition for many years to come. The Tale of 3 Trees tells the Easter story from a new and unusual point of view. Children will be deeply touched as they understand, perhaps for the first time, the significance of Christ's life and his atoning sacrifice on the cross. Easter Bunny, Are You For Real? In this book, 2 children learn about the origins of the Easter Bunny and other symbols and customs associated with Easter. In this touching book, The Legend of the Easter Egg, a young boy learns the deeper meaning behind Easter eggs and the Easter story itself when his older sister falls sick. When he learns the story of Easter, he learns about the hope that he has in Christ. I hope you guys enjoyed that selection of books. I'm going to link them all in the description below, or you can check them out at your library. And I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.